because the point was we have more years behind us
Yes, we do.
than we have, in front of us.
Yeah.
And so what are we going to do with these years? Because we've
good.
lived now. We've lived, and we're still living now. Don't get me wrong. My wife and I, we enjoy this beautiful life that God has blessed us with.
Yep.
But we've lived, and now we are taking all of this wisdom, all of this knowledge, all of this experience, and you're pouring it. You've been pouring it all along.
Yeah.
But you're really making sure, because we don't know how much time we got left.
That's right.
True.
I just had a classmate just last week get a phone call. My class is pretty small, so we're pretty close knit.
Yeah.
And so anytime something happens, we have a Facebook page and all that stuff too. Our class valedictorian, beautiful, smart lady, she's in the school system, education. I think she's a principal, not a principal, superintendent or whatever.
Administrator.
Beautiful
something like that.
family.
Mm-hmm.
I think her husband is in law enforcement and all of that died.
Mm.
Just suddenly.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Yep.
And out of the 104 graduates, that's a small class.
It is very small. Gee.
You know everybody's name.
Right. First, middle, and last,
But this was the early mid-'80s down in a little small town in Mississippi. And but we're a very close-knit class. And we get together all the time, and we have a great time. And he spoke on legacy. And that stuck with me.
Yeah.
Even though I'm already building that legacy, but sometimes you're putting it in perspective.
Yep.
And now, so how ironic that this question.
Yeah.
And we talked about family. We talked about name. I love my name.
Mhm.
Okay, my children love their name. It's a pretty unique name.
Yes, it is.
It
Things
is.
like that. And my grandkids love it. And the daughter-in-laws, they used to have the kids, they may have a school project or they may have to speak or whatever.
Yeah.
And she'll let them come up with, and they'll work with them so they can have a good presentation or whatever. And I remember my grandson, he did his on why he is so honored and appreciative, because we don't ask the family we're born into.
Yeah.
That's God,
That's all good.
You're born into this family.
Yeah.
Sure.
And he loved it. He loved being a partee.
Yeah.
And what is it to be a partee? And so she had him to come over one time when we had a family dinner. We do a family dinner once a month in my family because family just got so big. We used to do it every week. It's like, wait a minute, y'all. But anyway,
It's getting expensive.
but anyway, she had him to do that speech. And I tell you, it brought tears to my eyes.
Wow.
I was bawling. My wife was bawling. Whatever. And you're thinking,
Proud.
man, this 12-year-old kid, and
Yeah.
I didn't know he
Yeah.
felt like that.
And I'm a partee.
And so
Love
what
it.
it
I love
is,
that, man.
Yeah.